wish you were out of town without a long commute? Check out 17 Gold Buckle Place for your country living dreams. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath modular home has an oversized 3-car garage and is located on over 5 acres. But this deal gets even sweeter. It also has a barn that is over 1,600 square feet.
Another selling feature to this property is the fact that you and your horses have access to this community riding arena. In addition, you can have other forms of livestock on your property as well.
If you would like to cozy up to this warm fire and check out this incredible property, please contact me, Tara Harris, the innovator, or my team member, Stacy Peterson, the strategist of Team Prestige with RE/MAX Professionals. We look forward to serving you.